Well, I suppose our childhood memory, lying in bed at night, one would hear a heavy goods from South Wales or elsewhere come into the station, stop and crow for a banker. The banker would come out of its shed, buffer up behind, and crow to us be ready. And then the two engines would start off up the hill. And the boy's imagination, you could hear the two engines talking to each other. Can't do it, I can't do it, I can't do it, I can't do it. And the banker behind, oh yes you can, oh yes you can, oh yes you can, oh yes you can. And you'd hear them working their way up the hill. The goods engine complaining and the banker saying in effect, you're making a fuss about nothing. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. And I suppose that childhood memory was the basis of these subsequent stories.